Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. Today Mike has to work on his car. Okay. What happened was, this pulley right here, the outside broke off of it. See, on the back it has a rib. And it's supposed to have one on the front. I found it down in there. And that caused it to shred the belt. So, a new belt needs to be put on. And I got to replace this idler pulley. I've got a new one in the car. I knew what happened when it happened, and I went straight to AutoZone and I got the parts. I inspected it there, got the parts I needed, and tried to get home, but it didn't quite work out that way. And because the engine gets hot, water pump's not turning down there, and the engine cooler is not working. So you gotta make sure you don't overheat the engine, or you're gonna blow a head gasket. So I ran out of juice in the battery because that's all the car was operating off of, was the battery, because I had to stop a few times. So ended up having to call AAA. Took a while, but they finally found me. Wasn't a hard location, but second guy found me. The first guy went right past me. Anyhow, thanks AAA. Anyhow, we got to do this work, and I can't do my side hustle without the car. I've got the scooter back there that I just put a battery in. I went and bought the part I needed, which is this T50 torque bit right here. Yeah, T50 torque bit. I've got the other tools I need, I believe. Now we got the scooter ready to roll, and those only at the end of the road. So yeah, you pull this off right here. It just pulls off, just plastic. Pull it off right here like this. Pull up and back, bam, it's off. Give me a little more room. Anyways, that goes down in here like this. And yes, it fits. So the information I got was correct, T50. Alright, well, I'm going to put it on the tripod and get busy. Alright, so it wasn't hard to pop loose. It's going to be a really long bolt. And the dust cap also popped off. The new idler pulley, as I'll show you, didn't come with the dust cap. And it was actually more expensive than the belt itself. Alright, like I said, it's got a really long bolt. That I just about lost. And so, got a little seat on it. You want to remember to, get this in here right with the new one. Got a seat in there. You don't want to get it like this. Definitely don't want to cross thread anything. So I've got the new idler pulley, and it doesn't look like that. That one's smooth, this one's ribbed, like it's supposed to be. And I've tried the dust cap on it, it does actually fit. That's good. It might be a seal bearing anyway. Okay, and here's the old dust cap. I found it down in there. When it happened, I knew what happened. So I didn't know that this idler pulley broke and caused that to happen. But I knew what happened. So I stopped straight at AutoZone and got the parts. Alright. Made in Mexico, in case anybody wants to know. Back in. You did notice I backed it out first. See? Backed it out, so I don't cross thread it. Good little tip. Like I said, you want to make sure it's suited around that bearing, where that bearing actually suited over the suit on the bolt. For some reason, they decided this bolt should be about 2 miles long. It wasn't hard to loosen up. Okay, I've got that suited. We're good on that. And there we go. All good. Simple job. Now the hard part is the belt. Alright. Alright, so here's the belt. And I have the S55 AMG. So it's gonna go like that. I'll try to find one online and put it up there for you guys. But yeah. So we need to get to it. Got the belt right here. I measured it at the store with what was left of the old one. And they're the same length, so I was surprised they had parts for this car. But they did. Alright. I've got it on the bolt down there. And I know that the tension is okay. So now we've got the belt. So, belt goes over the alternator. Goes across that idler. Across the cooler pump, oil pump. Yeah, that's the power steering pump, I meant. You want to make sure you get these ribs lined up. Also, it's like not cross-threading the bolt. So there you have it, folks. It's on there. I don't know if it's got enough juice to start up. I suppose we can give it a try. Yeah, it doesn't have enough juice to get started up, so we'll get the old trickle charger out. Get it on the battery and let it do this thing. Cover back on. Now also make sure those ribs were lined up. You gotta make sure about that. Put that back on there. There's the old one in the trash. I'll put the dust cover on this protection. That's it, folks. Thanks for looking in. We'll bring more videos to you.